My God, guys. Oh my God, look at this blue part. Look at how cool that looks. What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory. Alright, guys, so today I am going to be mixing all of my Nickelodeon slimes. Well, actually, I just bought these to mix them. Anyways, guys, we have 100 crazy Nickelodeon slimes here. We're gonna mix all of them. We're gonna see what happens. And then it's probably gonna turn brown, and then we're gonna put some pigment because brown always looks really good when it's with pigment. Yeah, so I really love these crazy Nickelodeon slimes. Hashtag not sponsored, but I should be sponsored because I really like them anyways. But I just thought it'd be really cool to mix them all, like 100 of them, and see what happens. And I'm pretty sure it's just gonna become a brown, like clearish slime. And I think it's still gonna be really nice because it's all the same texture. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens though. And today's like my challenge video. You guys comment down below what you think about crazy Nickelodeon slimes. I like them a lot, and yeah. Alright guys, let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, we got the bucket here. We got all the slime, so let's start. Oh, this is so satisfying. Get it? Mixing all of them. I never said I was gonna mix the slime in the containers. I said I was just gonna mix it, you know? Alrighty, so I guess we'll just mix them all like this. So let's get going. Alright, first we got, guys, is the pink one. Ooh, whoa. It's a bit melted. Yes, look at that. I feel like this is the best pre-made slime out there. Sorry to everybody else. Alright, well I guess that's enough of ASMR for the pink one. Next we're gonna do, guys, is orange. I really like the orange one because it's like orange. I'm just kidding. But it's like the color is really neon and it's kind of clear. You guys see that? Like, it's beautiful. Next to this teal one. This one is kind of like a white base slime. You know, I should put it like these things, like over here. Great, now they're getting mixed. All right, there it is. I don't really like the color of this one too much, but it's still nice, you know? Put that over there. Then we have another pink one. Okay, it's just me, this pink one is a bit brighter than the last pink one. Okay, here's the difference. This one seems a bit like more light, like dull. I like this one better. It's like so glossy. Oh my God, this is gonna be a fantastic slime smoothie. Just watch. Next is the orange again. This one isn't different at all. Next is a red one, and I really love the color of this one. It's like one of my favorites because it's like the color is really pretty first of all, and then like when you spread it, it's like a neon pink and it looks really cool. Next we have a purple one. Oh, this one's cool. I don't remember seeing this one. I don't think I got this one. This one's really pretty. It's like a magenta. Ooh, look at this now, guys. Some of these are a bit melted. Next is this blue one. Ooh, I don't think I've seen this blue one before. I really like this blue. I love how these are all so freaking glossy. It is the best thing ever. I already did like a review on all of these, but I don't think I did all of them. I don't think I got all of them. They have a lot of colors. Next is this purple one. This is like lavender, I think. I don't really like it. Well, I do like it. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. Next is this dark blue one. Ooh, this seems interesting. I don't think I've seen this one. I don't know if I have. Ooh, this one's really pretty. It's like dark and glossy. Next is this green one, and I love the green ones. They're like the orange one for me because it's like it almost like it glows, and it looks so cool to me, and it looks very nice and satisfying, and I like it a lot. Okay, now we have this dark purple one. Did we do this one? I feel like we did it. I don't know. Just a nice purple one. Then we have another lavender. Just put that right there. Next is this purple one. Oh, I love the color of this one. Next we have a pink one. This one's kind of like the one over here, I think. We have this.
Match the colors.
Then I have a bright pink one. Well, I want it to be able to see all the colors. Oh, I love that one. Bright magenta purple one. I love this one. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I can't. Teal. Hey, this kind of has a different color. They're not all the same colors, even though they're the same colors. You know what I'm saying? Dark blue. Yes. Don't you love when it comes out like all nice and like molded? Next one is this red one. Green, my favorite green. It's like green apple green, and it is gorgeous, and I love it so much. Another red. We have clear. I love the clear ones because they are not like just some stupid, weird, rippy, putty, foggy clear. It is like legit slime clear. Like this is the stuff, bro. I love it. Look at that. Did you see that? Like What the? Snoop slimes could never, even though they could probably, but I don't know. Next is orange. I haven't had an orange one in a while. And we are all done with the first, like, top of the box, you know, because there's like, let me show you guys. There we go. So there's 2 stories on this box. We're done with the top story. All the slimes in there. Look at that. That's a pretty good amount of slimes. Did I mention that these slimes are $2 each? Like, Crazy Art's gonna put some slime shops out of business. I'm just kidding. It's so nice already. I'm not mixing it. I'm just poking it. Okay, I'm just poking it. I can't wait. All right, let's keep going. All right, here's another red one. Alrighty, now it's an orange slime. Ooh, it's so beautiful, guys. Lavender, pink slime. By the way, guys, you know how I said that there's a difference between the pink slimes? Well, there is apparently a difference. This one is neon pink slime, and this one is just pink slime. So yeah, so neon pink slime. I love the neon pink slime, it's so beautiful. Last one, teal. We are done with another row thingamajigger. This is fantastic. This is beauty in a box.
A few moments later.
Really? That's what you do? You press the record button?
Yeah, you messed up so bad. Look what she did, guys.
Alrighty, let's continue, guys. Next row batch thingamajigger. Got red bottom. Clear slime that is beautiful. Magenta, thick slime. And it's always thick, and it's just fantastic. Neon pink slime that isn't always thick, but is occasionally thick, and when it is, it's fantastic. And for the grand finale of this row, beautiful crystal clear slime. I'm gonna let that droop onto there. Okay, you guys can see how beautiful it is. Next row, we're done with a whole box of this, guys. Is this like, I don't know how much is this. We're actually done with a whole box and a half. We have one more row, guys, and then we can get to mixing this beautiful monstrosity. Look at that. This is amazing. I kind of mixed it. Alright, guys, here's a little update of all this stuff. We have all the containers in this one. We still have this bottom row right here. And then we have all of these containers. This fell there. And we got, this whole thing is empty. So we got a whole box and a half. We have one more little thing to do. And this is the beautiful slime. Look at that clear slime right there, yes. This is gorgeous, guys. And I cannot wait till we mix it all. On to the last batch, guys. Okay, this one we have the neon green slime. This one actually is not melted. It's really nice. Alrighty, there it is. Oh my god. The crystal clear slime is beautiful and I love it so much. Alright, now we can go ahead and mix it, guys. Look at this. I got a giant pile of Crazy Art Nickelodeon slimes and it looks beautiful. It looks better than I imagined. And I think we are ready to mix them. I don't want to mix them. It looks so beautiful. Alright, you guys make sure you take screenshots of this and post on Instagram because it's going to be beautiful. And also comment down below if you guys want to do a part 2 to this. And like, I'll put like glitter in it or something, I don't know. There's actually a lot more than I thought. Let's do this, I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it, okay? Let's do this, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wonder if the bubbles, you guys saw that bubble? The bubbles are good on this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Gorgeous. Look at that bubble. My god, guys. Oh my god, look at this blue part. Look at how cool that looks. Okay, the blue looks really cool. This is amazing. Okay, that little piece looks so cool. Okay, look at this. Doesn't it look like a marble, like a rock, you know? Oh my god. The bubbles, guys. The bubbles are just perfect. Oh my god, look at, okay, it makes these swirls and they look like marble and it's just so beautiful. Oh my god, these bubbles though. Like, what the heck? Wait, so those are the bubbles. Then how is the swirls? Ooh, look at that, guys. The bottom is beautiful because it's like not as mixed as the top. What if I flip this over? I'm gonna flip this over, guys. Oh my god, look at how cool. Oh, whoopsies. Oh my god. Look at how beautiful. This is amazing, guys. Wow, guys, I thought this was gonna turn into like a brown color, but it actually turned into like a really pretty, like dark navy blue color, and I actually like it. These bubbles though, like I can't believe it. The bubbles are crazy. Ooh, look at, there's still more purple here. Whoa. This actually turned out a lot better than I thought, because I thought it might like, you know, mix really quick since it's like clear slime based type deal. Like it actually mixed pretty slow, pretty good. This is amazing. All right, I want to add pigment in this or like glitter or something, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Like it will actually see the pigment, you know? Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the container, guys, because it is just going everywhere and I don't want to drop it anywhere because I don't want to waste it, you know?
3 days later.
All right, we got it back. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get this small piece and I'm gonna add some pigment in it to see if it will work. I know I have some really cringy hands, but like it doesn't come off. I'm gonna try and clean it though. Alrighty, guys, so I'm gonna add some of this pearl white pearlescent powder. All right, I'm gonna add this pearl white first, and then I'm gonna add some gold one on another one to see which one is better. You guys think it's gonna work? I don't know, it might be too like white, but I'm not sure. I think it's working. Ooh, it worked, guys, it worked. It's pearlescent. But do I want it to be pearlescent? Yes, look at that. Okay, that one actually turned out pretty good. Look at that. But I feel like it's too dark. We're gonna put that in one of our containers we have. I'm keeping the containers, guys, because they're containers and I can use them, so why not? Next, I want to put some of this gold. Oh wait, this is not gold, this is citrine. Okay, got some gold, guys. Citrine is basically like pearlescent yellow. Gold is stronger. I don't want to put too much. That's actually a lot, I'm sorry. I feel like this is gonna look really cool, this one. So I love how gold looks when it's mixed with other colors. Ooh, that looks cool. Kind of turned into like a darker version of gold. I don't know, it's weird. I think it turned kind of green, you know, because it's like yellow with blue. That actually turned out really pretty. Yep, I don't know, guys. You know, I was thinking I want to add pigment to the whole thing, but like I kind of want to like see if I can make different slimes with the whole thing, you know? Kind of looks like that unicorn blood pudding.
Meanwhile.
Guys, so while I was doing that, there's some bubbles that formed on this, so I want to just do some ASMR for you guys before. Pretty cool, I think. You guys comment down below because we do another one where I like maybe like separate them. I don't know, like different colors, you know? I don't know. And yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much. I really hope I see you next time. Bye.